What is 26 times 6? Answer, 156. What is 19 times 4? Answer, 76. What is 40 times 6? Answer, 240. What is 38 times 9? Answer, 342. Ben ate 3/5 of a pie. Then he ate 1/5 more. How much total? Answer, 4/5. What is 13 times 7? Answer, 91. What is 41 times 5? Answer, 205. What is 28 times 1? Answer, 28. Put these in order: 549766, 138995, 795528. Answer, 138995, 549766, 795528. Ben ate 3/5 of a pie. Then he ate 2/5 more. How much total? Answer, 5/5. What is 37 times 5? Answer, 185. Put these in order: 865057, 664091, 221255. Answer, 221255, 664091, 865057. What is 12 times 9? Answer, 108. What is 44 times 1? Answer, 44. Put these in order: 504025, 205406, 990469. Answer, 205406, 504025, 990469. What is 44 times 6? Answer, 264. What is 48 times 10? Answer, 480. What is 35 times 4? Answer, 140. What is 35 times 9? Answer, 315. What is 15 times 1? Answer, 15.